In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 12 free Discord soundboard meme sounds in just a few simple steps. This is a super easy way to add funny audio clips to your server, so you can use them in voice chats, make conversations more entertaining, and have a lot more fun with your friends. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and join a voice channel in the server where Soundboard is enabled. This is important because the Soundboard feature only works in voice channels that support it. Once you're inside the voice chat, look for the Soundboard option. Depending on your setup, you may see it in the voice controls or inside the server's voice channel tools. Now, when you open the Soundboard, you should notice that there are already 6 free meme sounds available under the section called Discord Sound. These are the built-in free sounds that Discord gives you to start with, and they're ready to use right away. You can click on each one to preview it and then play it during your voice chat whenever you want. Next, if you want even more sounds, you can add 6 more free meme sounds yourself. To do that, click the Add Sound button. This will open the Upload option where you can choose an audio file from your device. Make sure the sound file is short, clear, and something funny or recognizable, because meme sounds work best when they're quick and easy to react to. After selecting your audio file, upload it and give it a name if Discord asks you to. Once the upload is complete, your new sound should appear in the Soundboard list. Now you'll have a total of 12 free meme sounds available to use, with 6 already provided by Discord and 6 more that you added manually. If you want the best results, try organizing your sounds so the funniest ones are easiest to find. You can use meme reactions, sound effects, or short voice clips that match your server style. That way, when you're in a call, you can quickly trigger the perfect sound at the perfect moment. And that's it! You now know how to get 12 free Discord Soundboard meme sounds and use them in your server. It only takes a minute, and it's a great way to make your Discord chats way more fun. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.